Nabila Silviani.
Hello, my name is Meliani.
Hello, my name is Nadil.
In this video, we will talking about why Sepaku District in East Kalimantan has been selected as the new capital of Indonesia.
Why?
Let's check this out.
Saya mohon izin untuk memindahkan ibu kota negara kita ke Pulau Kalimantan.
On January 18, 2020, Indonesia passed a law to move its capital from Jakarta to East Kalimantan, located in the east of the island of Borneo. The new capital city of the country will be called Nusantara, which translates to archipelago.
The development of the national capital city (IKN) of the archipelago is the government effort to promote inclusive economic development by disseminating the magnet for new economic growth, so that it does not only rely on the island of Java.
The main reason for moving the capital city from Jakarta is 1. The burden of the population on the island of Java. 2. The burden of the economic contribution of Java Island. 3. The crisis of water availability in Java. 4. The largest land conversion occurred on the island of Java. 5. The very high urbanization growth.
Indonesia is not the only country to move its capital. In the other parts of the world, there have been many countries that move capital first. Luck for the transfer of capital in every country is not the same. Some succeed and some fail. For example, like Myanmar and Malaysia. These two countries have different fates in the transfer of their capital. Myanmar moved its capital behind the profits and ambition of its leader at the time, Tan Swe. Even so, there are still rational reasons for the decision. The government of Tan Swe argues that Naypyidaw climate is safer than Yangon, which is often traversed by storm. In addition, because of the strategic location of Naypyidaw, because it is in the middle of Myanmar, it is expected to be raised by all communities. But in the fact, today, the new capital is like a ghost town as a result of its undercooked planning. The Myanmar government only focused on building office military, while facilities generally do not exist. This is what causes that irregularity in the transfer of the capital in Myanmar.
While Malaysia moved its seat of government from Kuala Lumpur to Putrajaya, it was motivated by the dense population and activity in Kuala Lumpur. During the construction of the area, the Prime Minister of Malaysia paid attention to all aspects that would be needed in the area, such as office buildings, government buildings, to public transportation. That led to the transfer of the government center in Malaysia to the value of success.
Lesson to be learned in this research: the Indonesian government need to strengthen intention in moving the capital city. Don't let this 4,016 trillion rupiah budget plan become a loss to the state because it has become a plan for corruptor. The government, together with the Corruption Education Commission, the another general office, and other law enforcement officials need to oversee the course of the project so that later the ideals of equitable development in Indonesia can be realized.
I hope that the construction of this new capital city will not merely move government office physically. The main objective of the construction of this new capital city is to build a new smart city. A new smart city is that competitive at the global level.
This new nation's capital is not just a city that contains government offices, but it is also expected to be able to build a new smart metropolis that can become a magnet, become a global talent magnet, and become a center of innovation.
And I hope that the Nusantara will be the beginning to bring Indonesia into a development country.